Welcome back to our channel. Today, we will be delving into the fascinating world of Toyota, one of the leading automotive companies globally. Join us as we explore the country of origin, the company's rich history, its impact on the economy, and 10 remarkable points that have made Toyota a powerhouse in the automotive industry. Before going to video, if you want to surf the world of knowledge daily, please subscribe us by pressing the red subscribe bello and keep the bell icon all. So, let's get started. Number 1. The country of origin. Toyota, originally named Toyota, is a Japanese automotive manufacturer that hails from the land of the rising sun. Japan has a long-standing reputation for precision engineering and innovation, making it an ideal breeding ground for automotive excellence. Number 2. A glimpse into history. The roots of Toyota can be traced back to 1937 when Kiichiro Toyota established the Toyota Motor Corporation. Since then, the company has grown by leaps and bounds, with a strong focus on quality, reliability, and continuous improvement. Number 3. Driving the economy. Toyota's impact on the economy cannot be understated. As one of Japan's most prominent companies, Toyota employs hundreds of thousands of people globally, directly and indirectly contributing to job creation, local economies, and technological advancements. Number 4. Lean manufacturing. One of Toyota's most significant contributions to the automotive industry is the development of the Toyota Production System, TPS. It revolutionized manufacturing by introducing lean principles, ensuring efficiency, and minimizing waste. Number 5. Hybrid revolution. Toyota has been at the forefront of hybrid vehicle development. With the introduction of the iconic Prius in 1997, they pioneered the mass production of hybrid cars, setting the stage for a global shift towards eco-friendly transportation. Number 6. Quality and reliability. Toyota has built its reputation on delivering exceptional quality and reliability. Their meticulous attention to detail and commitment to customer satisfaction have earned them the trust of millions of car owners worldwide. Number 7. Global manufacturing network. Toyota's global manufacturing network spans across several continents. With assembly plants in various countries, including the United States, Japan, China, and Europe, they ensure efficient production and cater to regional markets effectively. Number 8. Safety innovations. Safety has always been a top priority for Toyota. They have pioneered numerous safety features, such as the development of the Star Safety System, aiming to minimize accidents and protect drivers, passengers, and pedestrians. Number 9. Environmental stewardship. Toyota actively engages in environmental stewardship through initiatives like the Toyota Environmental Challenge 2050. They aim to reduce carbon emissions, promote renewable energy, and create sustainable mobility solutions. Number 10. Autonomous driving. Toyota is actively investing in autonomous driving technologies, striving to create safer and more efficient transportation systems. Their research and development efforts aim to bring about a future with self-driving vehicles. Number 11. Mobility for all. Toyota is committed to ensuring mobility for all individuals, including those with physical disabilities. Their innovative products like the Well Cab and the Human Support Robot showcase their dedication to creating inclusive transportation solutions. Number 12. Community engagement. Toyota goes beyond just manufacturing vehicles. They actively engage with communities worldwide through initiatives focused on education, environmental conservation, disaster relief, and promoting cultural exchange. Number 13. Income and profitability. Toyota consistently ranks among the top automotive companies in terms of revenue and profitability. In recent years, their annual revenue has been consistently over $250 billion, showcasing their financial strength and market dominance. Number 14. Vehicle production milestones. Toyota's production capabilities are truly awe-inspiring. As of now, they have produced over 200 million vehicles worldwide, solidifying their position as one of the largest automobile manufacturers in history. From compact cars to SUVs, hybrids to electric vehicles, Toyota offers a diverse range of vehicles catering to various customer preferences. That's all for today's video. We hope you enjoyed this video about the world-famous brand Toyota. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe and comment your age. Until next time, have a good time.